Hey guys, welcome back to another journaling with me video. Today is day 16 and it is a very special memory for me. So let's get to it. So hi guys, welcome back to the 30-day journaling challenge, and it is day 16. So we are celebrating that we have passed the halfway line, and I am still enjoying this challenge very much. So today it is a special memory. This is a picture of my daughter's senior night. Now this was last year. My daughter's in college now, but I wanted to document this beautiful memory, even though it's not very recent. It's still very special. So the school always has a senior night, pink out night for the volleyball girls. They do it for every sport, but my daughters play varsity volleyball, and she was the only senior last year, so it was all about her that night. And so everybody wears pink, we all wear pink and it's just so sweet. And so I wanted to celebrate this day and document and make this spread very girly and very pink. So I have this paper collection. This is by Prima. It is the Julie Netting collection, and I have a few sheets of this. It's a very pink collection, and so super appropriate for this day. So I decided to do a big heart and just make it, like I said, extra girly. So I went ahead and cut the first step, 12 by 12. I cut it to size the page of the journal, and then as you saw, I fold this cardstock in half and just free cut the heart. So super easy page today, but I think it's just so cute, so special to add to your journal. Now I decided to make it extra girly by adding this lace all around the border of the heart. I didn't know first how this was gonna look, but I'm glad that this turned out good, because sometimes there's too much lace, too much pink, but this actually turned out really cute. So I'm just gonna be using my fabric glue to add the lace all around. So this is a pretty simple technique. As you can see, as I am gluing the lace, I'm just folding it a little bit, making a bit of a ruffle, but mainly changing the direction of the lace so I can make that a round edge look very seamless, hopefully. So I'm adding some of my glue, sometimes folding the paper, holding it down, but yeah, so just trying to make the distance of the lace look even all the way around. So this is the part of the big reveal, because at this point I didn't know how this was gonna look on the front, and I ended up loving it so much. So that is going to now be going on to the page. So I am just going to be gluing this down, trying to match that bending line. I know my journal is getting pretty chunky at this point, but so I'm just gonna be gluing each half at a time to make sure I match the bending line. So once I have that hard finish, I didn't think this page needed anything else. It is quite a heavy, loud page, but I love it. And I just went ahead and back the picture on the remaining of the cardstock to have a little bit of a border of an outline for the picture here. Then I went ahead and looked for some pink flowers on my stash, and I found so many different tones of pink, so I decided to do a little bit of everything. Some of the hot pink matches the pom-poms on the background of the picture. The girls were wearing pink, but their pom-poms were pink, so I have a combination of the pink and hot pink on the flowers, and I think this turned out really, really cute. And so then I'm just gonna finish up the other side by adding this cara part that says pink is always a good idea. I thought it was so appropriate for this page, and that's gonna be it. Very, very simple page, but mainly documenting the journey. I can't believe it's been a whole year since my daughter graduated high school, and she already completed her first year of college. Time definitely flies by so quickly, and I'm glad that with this 30-day challenge I am documenting the memories that are so special, and one day I'll look back at this journal and I will just feel all the joy that I felt during those days. So very special memories on this journal. Normally I do my journals per year, per date, but I didn't actually do any journaling last year, so I'm just combining all the memories on this book. And so yeah, we're just gonna glue this piece down, and that is going to be the end of this page. And so I hope that you guys enjoy yet another journaling video. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. Thank you for all your sweet comments. Let me know if you have been following the series, and let me know if you have been documenting your own memories. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.